Whoa. Good morning. Good morning, trader to be. Welcome. Welcome, Martin. Good morning. How's it going? All right, let's start the show. Let's see what's going on in the markets. Or in this case, on NQ. I entered to a gold long position. Yono, welcome. Hello. Good morning, Red. 10 points. Good morning. Good to see you guys. All right. I wanted to enter along on NQ, by the way, because I think 460 could be a good target. You know, nice swing high over there. Instead, I entered a gold long position, which is doesn't really look that good. But where is it? Here it is. Let me switch to 5 minutes. No, let's go with 10 days. Okay, so here it is. And we'll see what happens here. Look at that. NQ is just pushing it. Good morning, Naomi. Good to see you. 10 more points to break that 460. I was looking at this small fair value gap here on the 5 minute and also on the 3. It didn't go down there. I had a limit order, but the train left without me, and I think it's gonna break to 460. One more chance could have been to enter on this bullish candle formation here at 150, but doesn't really matter. Sam, hey, good morning or evening for anyone who is still in the past. Okay, so I entered, I still have this gold trade. I entered earlier, about an hour ago. And the reason behind the gold trade is that on the 1 hour chart, I just saw price coming back down to this 1 hour fair value gap, repriced it. Pretty good, nice bullish rejection from down there. And so that's it. There was no fair value gap, but was a structure shift on the 3 minute. But there was a fair value gap on the 1 minute, so it's not a high probability trade, but I thought that gold might continue higher into 27.48 on futures, obviously trying to make some new highs and take out this bearish order block to the left, which is not exactly an order block, but let's just go with it. And you know, that's all. That was the reasoning behind entering the gold trade, and you guys are getting dizzy, I know. But anyway, getting back to NQ. That's all I see right now. Oh, how's mom? She's thank you so much, Naomi. Thank you. She's still in hospital. I was with her yesterday during the New York stream. I mean, I should have been in. I mean, I wasn't able to stream. I was staying with her because they were moving her to a different facility there for a special treatment, and so I wanted to go there in person as well, just to talk with the doctors. So sorry if I missed the yesterday New York stream, but hopefully, I mean, she's okay, getting better, hopefully. Farhad, good morning. Holding on to your long from 430. That's a good entry there. That's a good entry. Let's go. 460, I think that should be the ultimate target. So Yeah, thank you, Naomi. Well, I wanted to send a message on the YouTube community tab, but I was driving on the highway, and I just I forgot to send a message on the community tab, and I forgot to delete the scheduled stream there. All right. Hey, Wetmill, welcome. Doing okay. Doing okay. I wanted to catch this long, but it's too late to jump in now. The risk to reward is off for me, but I'm 90% confident that the 460 level should be popped. The only question is it gonna go down first and then go up, or just gonna straight go up there? But I'm pretty confident that something like this is gonna happen. So 460 should be significant. You caught a portion of it? Nice. I was waiting for this 5-minute gap here, and it almost got filled. I had a limit order at 36. Almost got me filled at that point. I was like one tick away, and boom, it skyrocketed. I was like, oh, this should be a nice entry, and well, it is what it is. It made another gap here, so quite interesting. I feel like it comes to 440 then pop. Yeah, yeah, I'm looking at that level too. Actually, let me put this. I'm just measuring risk here. I might pull a limit order at 43. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a limit order at 43 for now. Buy limit at 43. If it comes back down here into this gap, maybe I can catch the move, and the TP would be 59.50 for me. If I can hop onto this ride. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Try Nikkei, but trader weight rejects the orders. Wow. Oh. Don't let the FOMO catch you up there. But so we have another 5-minute gap right there. I kind of switched to the 5 and the 3-minute nowadays because I lost too much, to be honest. I don't know how I'm going to do with payouts in December, but I have to tone it down to the 3 and the 5-minute entries. I was to take a trade on my individual account with 5 contracts. Whoa, 7.5k profits. Congratulations. That is, you know, Jesus, on one trade. Oh man, that is awesome. Okay, my limit order is still at 43. Unfortunately, my gold trade is not looking that good now. It might hit the stop loss, but the NQ limit order is close, 3 points away. Yeah, the gold trade is gonna go away, unfortunately. What a shame. Well, I took it at 1 a.m. ish or something. Okay, I got filled. Okay, gold is off. I got filled at 43. Come on, what's going on? Oh, and got out just like that. What a shame. What a shame. I was so close. We just got back down to this other gap. My stop loss was right here at the gap. I didn't expect that this one's just gonna go like this. Do we have some news? No. What a shame. What a shame. Being shaken out from the gold trade, and NQ also put me out dirty there. Good morning, Yokozuna. Hey, Sopham. Good scalp on gold for 40. Oh. Yeah, it's definitely clearing the liquidity, 100%. 100%. China news. Yeah, let me read this. I'm down 180 bucks. China's top policymakers are considering allowing the yen to weaken in 2025 as Trump tariffs loom. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, we'll see. But it did pick up liquidity down there. It is what it is. Man. What a flush here. What a flush. I mean, they really flushed everyone. Good morning, Nikos. Do you have an account at PTT? What is that? ProfiTrader. Oh, ProfiTrader. Yeah, I have evaluation account for now. But yeah, I do trade with them. Somebody says PTF, like Profit Trade Funding, or Profit Trader, or just PT. I forgot PTT. I will leave TopStep for them. I mean, TopStep is definitely much bigger and greater company. So far that we know of, they paid out people last week as well. So that's what we know. And that's all. They do have instant funded accounts. If you're looking for instant funded accounts, you know, I picked up TickTickTrader too, but the minimum is 100K account there. And Traderfy also has those. What a flush. What a flush. Too much activation fee, although in TopStep. Well, right now ProfiTrade has the, if you use my code, there is no activation fee on the Echo accounts. It's $99, but there is no activation fee. I think it's $99 for the 50K. Not sure. Let me check. Because they started this week. I got paid by ProfiTrade. It only took a week or so. Yeah, they pay like bi-weekly every 2 weeks. I mean, sorry. So if you submit your request, you're getting paid on the next week. So technically bi-weekly. So so far, I'm definitely gonna continue to trade with them. I see no issue for now. I hope it will stay that way. But keep in mind, they are also a brand new prop firm, just like Tradeify is a brand new prop firm. The only main difference is that ProfiTrade doesn't have any social media presence at all. Just like Bulenox. Yeah, I mean, yeah, but the company has been established in October, Tradeify. Yeah, I do trade the 1 minute, but not too much in the past few days because I lost so much on the 1 minute. It got me triggered to go full tilt and such, and I just had to do something about it. So I stopped on the 1 minute for now. But my best setups came through the 5 minute charts anyways, so I just thought that, you know, till the time being, I'm just gonna stay on the 5 minute if I can. But yeah. Can you send your eco account no activate? Yeah, sure. Just a second. Let me check. Let me just check it. No. Yeah, $98. So the link is, it should be here. Come on. Just a second. Just a second. So here's my link, and you can use my code, and it should be $98. And the current sale, I'm gonna show you in a second. Yeah, so here's the email I received from them. So the Echo accounts, the special offer on the 50K Echo Trail, $99, includes the challenge and the PA account activation fee. So once you pass evaluation, you'll have nothing to pay. So the 50K account right now doesn't have activation fee, which could be a good thing or something, I guess. And the code is, as usual, the same as I use everywhere. If it's not popping it in the code. Okay, NQ is in this 5 minute gap, which is kind of like turning into an inversion gap, maybe, not sure. Gold also trying to make its way back up there. Hard to say what's happening at this point. Oh, take profit trader. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, not ProfiTrade. Sorry. So yeah, take profit trader. Yeah, I was talking about ProfiTrade. Maybe I was saying take profit trader, but I was referring to ProfiTrade. Sorry, then I misunderstood you. I'm sorry. Yeah. So take profit trader is in the business since a while. So, yeah, definitely. I'm sorry. Maybe I said something wrong. Not ProfiTrade. Okay. So is this gonna go down now and maybe sweep some lows? Kind of like a reversal on this 5-minute gap. It looks like a reversal, a possible reversal. Kind of like an inversion. I wonder how far it goes. And now it seems like gold might want to go a little bit lower. You know. Interesting price action for sure on NQ. And this is gold. So let me show you. NQ technically inversed this 5-minute gap. We have this long wick candle here and almost like a bullish order block down there, which looks like somewhat a good target maybe that it might want to go. Bowser, what's up? Good morning. I entered the short on the inversion gap. We'll see what happens, I guess. My target is this flat candle down there as a possible low-hanging fruit, but you know, I think Asia low could be this one, you know, even lower. So here's a trade. Let's see what happens. Because it's kind of like inverted this, and you know, seems like might want to go lower. Unfortunately, you know, I lost the previous two trades, one on gold and on NQ. So I'm just trying to fight my way back to a smaller drawdown now. Daily loss limit on Echo. There's no daily loss limit, but it trails. I mean, if you choose the trail account, you know, the smart trail account, there is no daily loss, but it's intraday trailing, right? So that's the main thing. Oh, once funded, no, there's no, because if you go with the same setup, so with the intraday trailing, so the smart trail, there is no daily loss limit on that one, so stays the same. Might be a full port opportunity. Yeah, could be. I was hoping that this one is going up, but seems like it might want to sweep some more levels down there. That's why I entered into this trade. So actually, I'm just fighting my way out of drawdown because of the previous two trades. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Lowering my risk here. Let's see. I lost 2 trades in a row right at the start of the stream, so this trade would be awesome if this could hit the low of that candle. There you go. And let's see, did I made it? Yeah, I was down almost $200, a little bit more than 200 with commission. Now I'm down $38. So at least I made back those losses, but well, gold tricked me. I don't know what's up with gold here, but that gold trade really tricked me. Just gold buck. Let's go. 21,400. Yeah, I think so too. We have Asia lows at 407, and we have the nice round number of 400 down there. I had my trade. This was a beautiful trade, I must say. This was a nice trade. So I took the long here because I thought that it's just, pulling back and it's gonna go for buy side. That took me out almost instantly with the China news. And so when I saw this inversion gap and the reaction, I thought that, all right, this might go here. And also the same situation happened with me on gold, but this entry was based on partially on the 1 minute chart. Entered the long after sweeping this 1 hour fair value gap. China news took me out. So 2 losses, 1 winner, slightly back to break even. Slightly back to break even. What can I do? It is what it is. The XY is going higher. Oh yeah, it does. It does. Okay. Totally forgot something here. Just a second. I have to write something here. Just a second. All right, sorry. Seems like almost down there. Let me read the chat. Sorry, I have to scroll back up there. Is there next record? Yeah. Express Echo lets you refund the fee after passing, but must pass under 50. Yes, exactly. Steam. Yeah. So that's a good deal, I think. Let's go, 21,400. Yeah. Yeah. Morning, Paul. Good morning. Real London move. Well, it tricked me this morning. The China news tricked me. I had 2 losses and 1 winner, but almost back to break even. So it already made a bit of a move here. There will be an issue with gold prices. Oh, we will go to gold-backed currency. Yeah, I think so too. Could happen. I heard something about that. What do you think about Traders launch? Traders launch prop firm. I don't know. I mean, Traders launch prop firm. You know, it depends on a lot of factors, because for a prop firm, I think you need very good risk management as well. So you need to be a very good risk manager. I guess you need to hire people who are good in risk management, because you all have to pay out profitable traders, and you also have to make profit for the company. So I think even if there are good traders who are considering opening up prop firm, I mean, I just said it, they really have to be also good traders and good risk managers, and they do need help from more experienced people. So if somebody is just an influencer in social media, seeming to be a good trader in itself, it's a good thing, but he or she or the team has to hire professionals who are good risk managers. Obviously, establishing a prop firm or founding a new prop firm, if I would do it, I would definitely hire professionals. So, and I wouldn't do it alone, that's for sure, if I would do it, but I'm not going to do it. But I would hire professionals from the industry. So, anyway. Yeah, gold is volatile. Yeah. I don't know what's it doing, but it's definitely acting out weird. Traders launch. Oh. didn't know that. I didn't know. You see, so many prop firms popping up. I didn't know. I didn't know. You're up gold today. $1,124. Let's go. You know, with that kind of profit, I think you should just, leave the charts for now and just, wait for the numbers, right? Wait for the big news. That's a very good profit for just being in the London session, After this one, and I think this should take out Asia lows. I will be watching for a possible reversal to that 460. 100K, 55% profit share, $45 no activation fee. You know what? You know what, Subham? That's actually not such a bad thing. Because they're giving you like cheaper upfront cost, no activation, and the way they protect their profits is, okay, then we're paying you less from the profit. And you know what? That's actually not the worst idea. If we're thinking about long-term business model for a prop firm. If we're thinking about long-term business. We took now Asia, yeah. So I'll be watching for possible reversals here. Poked into this 5-minute fair value gap down there. So let's see what it does. And also, let's see what gold is doing here. Quick look on gold. On the 1 hour, there's nothing, no special level to go for. Bullish order block. I'd say that I think gold might want to go down for the 27, 21. Not sure. For now, this one is holding here, but I feel like it might want to go down to 27, 21. Take that sell side there. I don't know. Risk to reward. Somewhat okay, but we have an order block as well. This could be considered as Asia low, maybe. It's a risky trade on gold. I'm considering to enter a short, to be honest. Goes higher. I was looking at this 27.21 down there. I entered a short on gold, small position, targeting 27.22.2. Stop is 32.4. 21.7. Yeah, we'll see. If not, I'm just gonna only lose like $60 or 70. I just want to see it take out that that order block. Where is it? Here. So here's the trade. Nothing fancy. I want to see it finish the move down there at 22.2. That would be good for me. So that's the trade I'm looking at. Short after sweep is bananas. I'll be trading 10 minis for 5 ticks. Let's go. It needs to take out that low 27.21 before rising up tonight. Grab more sell side. Yeah, I was thinking about that too. Like, might want to grab some more sell sides. I mean, there has to be, but this is only assumption. There has to be a lot of orders resting below that level, I think. Especially, you know, after the new daily candle started, there has to be some more orders. If not, well, it happens, you know, part of trading. I'm not gonna cry about it, but you know, it is what it is. I'm looking for NQ, as I said, possible reversal, maybe on the 3-minute as well. Poked into that gap. Is gold for that then? What? Need to grab more blood in the downstream before pumping up. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. For now, this is what I'm looking on gold. To take out this spot there, should be orders resting. Obviously, if it pops higher, who cares, right? But at least I tried. At least I tried. Oh, come on. Watching for NQ. Watching out for NQ. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. NQ so far is holding this area. Waterfall coming. We'll see. I'm using a tight stop here on gold. There is a 15-minute gap higher, and it definitely has repriced everything here. So now is the decision point of what gold wants to do. Is it going to reach for those orders down there, or is this enough and I'm going to start pumping? I'm holding a small position, like 70 bucks. How much is 70? I don't know. How is my stop? 70 or $80 is my stop, I think. So I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Hey, Alpaca Bowl. How many hours do you trade London session? I usually start at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard. Try to stay around for 5 a.m. So usually 3 hours, partially because of stream on YouTube. But I would say like the best time to trade is like from the London Open, which is 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 5. You know, the main center of the kill zone. So 2 hours. If you're day trading, you should be, or one should be, finding a possible setup in this time window. So yeah. How long did it take for you to get to this level with ICT? Well, I'm still at the very rookie level, and I'm still watching videos and learning. So guys, you don't know, but I'm actually, I mean, I told you I'm still watching mentorship videos. I'm still taking notes on paper, on a notebook, on a physical notebook here. But how much time it took me? I mean, I'm learning ICT concepts since 2022, and the first payout from prop firms was in last year, October, I think. Yeah, October. So, and everything turned into a little bit better when I switched to ICT concepts, and then I got payouts. So I would say 2022, late 2022, or yeah, second half, when I was completely only trading with the ICT concepts. But yeah, so it took me a while. GC has same price as others. Well, there's a difference right now between CFD and the futures chart. As you can see, this is the futures gold chart, and this is the CFD chart. It's different right now. I don't know exactly why, because I think the contract expiration dates or something. But right now it looks different, and I don't really know why. Yeah, I mean, Steam. There's nothing wrong with switching to negative risk to reward. When I was scalping, and I also know people who are scalping, they go with negative risk to reward. As long as you can manage your trade and know when to cut the losses and spot the, obviously you have to have a bigger win rate, but you can still make profits with a negative risk to reward. Yeah, no problem, Sam. This morning as well, when the gold started, volatile chart took different. Yeah, it's different. It looks a little bit weird, and unfortunately, it looks like my trade is not looking good right now. Looks like it might want to sweep higher. And NQ, I don't know what to think about NQ right now. It's like grain of sand. Oh, because you're on the old chart. You have to go. I'm gonna tell you which one. You have to go with the GCG5 because that's the February contract. Maybe you're still on the December contract or something. I don't know. So make sure to choose GCG5 or micro MGCG5. That's the current contract. Yeah, macro incoming. And we have the London Open, so let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's it gonna be. So far, nothing. This is the gold trade right now. Satoshi, good morning. Any updates? I mean, no negative news if that's what you're asking. And so far, we have more people who got paid out, and that's it. So far, I don't see anything bad or something. So, and they are doing a sale right now with. Oh, come on. With the Echo account. So no, nothing. I sent an email to the CEO if he can make some updates about how the company is doing right now. What are their plans? I actually asked him if he would be so kind to give me an interview on Skype or whatever, just a small talk about how things are looking, just to clear the air, but no answer yet. So if I can do a small little interview, then that would be awesome, I think. How do you know? Because there's a list online on the CME website, and also here on Quantower. For example, if I go here on charts, let me go, for example, Apex. So you go to CME. No, not CME, sorry. COMEX. You scroll down MGC. And here are different contract expiration numbers. But the newest one, I checked it on internet, is MGCG5. So the Z4 is the old contract. I think you were still on the old contract. And that's it. Quantower actually puts you, as you can see, the front month is G5. So Quantower puts you on the fresh one automatically. So the next one is going to be J5. And after that, so on and so forth. But yeah. I think some other Discord person says they have an interview schedule. Oh, awesome. I like to do that, Naomi, as well. I think other people want to do interviews with them too. But it would have been really awesome for my channel too, to be honest. I wanted to have some interaction on my channel about that. So that was one of the reasons also to take an interview with them. Hopefully I can get a schedule, and I don't want to do like an hour interview, but at least like a 20 minutes or 30 minutes, or maybe I will do 40 minutes or 1 hour, and then I'm gonna cut it down to the main questions. I don't know. Yeah, me too, Naomi. I really hope. I guess he's receiving a lot of emails like this. But yeah, one of the reasons I just want to partially at least stop the FUD spreading, as long as a prop firm is paying. And I know there was payout denials and such. I want to ask about that too. I think I know what is the answer is going to be, because they already gave an answer earlier a few weeks ago why payouts are getting denied in some cases. But you know, that happens on other prop firms too. And last time, the CEO said that the approval rate is still way above 90% for payouts. So, no, I'm talking about ProfiTrade. I know Apex is denying also more with the new rules. By the way, Apex denials 90% of the time happen because of the 30% rule. And it would be super simple to pass that rule. Just have to use a stop loss, that's all. And they said it, by the way, weeks ago. Like, it's super simple to bypass that rule. You just have to use a stop less than 30% per trade. That's how simple it would be. But anyway, I'm still gonna go with Apex. I'm building up funded accounts with Apex. This trade is also on Apex funded account, and I'm building up others. So and that's because I'm affiliated with them. It's because most of my payouts came from Apex so far. So why I'm definitely gonna continue for now with them. Most of my trading payouts came from Apex. Tick tick. Well, it's pretty much the same. You have to build up a buffer, and you can request above the buffer. That's it. So many different policies, but so far Tick Tick Trader keeps it simple. Also on the instant funded accounts, so it's good. I don't know by memory, to be honest. But it's basically almost the same like the others. Build up the buffer and take out the profits, and that's it. I think there's bi-weekly or weekly payouts, something like that. On NQ, we are on, let me tell you which contract are we on. Z4, yes. Yes, I think the switch is going to be on the 17th of December. It's going to be on the 17th of December, right? Okay, we have London Open in 30 seconds. Let me check on NQ. NQ is so far not doing anything special. It's like it wants to go lower. All right. Venom, good morning. Okay, we have London Open. I'm still in this gold trade. I'm actually copy trading this between 3 accounts. So hopefully, and all of them are funded accounts. So hopefully it goes. I really want to see liquidity swept down below there. As for NQ, I don't know. Yeah, they finally gold starting to show some signs of a possible drop. But obviously it's not over until it's not over. It seems like NQ is not ready to go higher yet. Might want to push lower. I don't know. Oh, wait a second. On the 3 minute, it did have a sweep. I'm actually thinking to enter a long trade here. Okay, entered the long on NQ. Maybe I should have entered in a better or lower entry. But for now, it's okay. For now, it's okay. 58.25, 404.75, 58.25. 58.25. Okay, I have my levels. This is the gold trade, and this is the NQ trade I'm in. Looking for that swing high up there at 58.25. On NQ. If this was the sweep, I'd like to see that swing high to be taken out. Based on the 3-minute chart, and also, yeah, on the 3-minute chart, 5-minute mostly on the swing high. I like to see it go there. If not, then not, obviously. But you know, we'll see. $1,200. Let's go. That's enough. Yeah, that's definitely enough. Yeah. Brandy, what's up? Doing great. Same thing can I have with Take Profit Trader. I think you can have 5. I think 4 or 5. Let me actually check it. Just a second. I'm gonna give you. Okay. Up to 5 pro accounts. Yeah, 5 pro/pro plus accounts, and trade them at the same time. For example, 3 pro plus and 2 pro plus, or vice versa. So 5 accounts. Yeah. So 5 funded accounts. But it can be pro or pro plus, which is exactly the same. The only difference is pro plus is live. Look at gold. It's struggling now. I know someone who's trading 70 minis for 2 tick. Oh, that's really something. Hey, espionage, what up? Take Profit Trader has a drawdown hard rule, even if you have a buffer. Yes. Yeah. But that's why you have to go with base hits. Three end of day and 20 trading accounts. Wow. Only 800 from passing another 100k account. Let's go. Hey, congratulations, espionage. Yeah, you know, discipline and those days when you're holding yourself back from trading, that's the skill. Carefully MyFundedFutures. I see. Okay. I'll go with Take Profit Trader. I'm doing that too, and obviously I'm trading everywhere now. Actually, I'm trading too many places at the same time. I'm using Tradeify too but I have trade await access there. I'm gonna trade on those evaluations on the New York session and try to pass them as soon as possible. Someone give me 80 so I can start MyFundedFutures. Clipping Nation. That's the problem I was having too back in the day. So the problem with that is if you don't have $80 for a prop firm account, then maybe you should not trade a prop firm account until the time being. I know it's hard, and it was hard to swallow for me too, but you know, it might be stressful to trade like that. This gold trade is not doing what I was hoping for. It's not water falling down. It's just not. It's back to break even. I trade all prop in one app and 4 windows. Oh, I see. Okay, ETS paid version. Yeah, they told me ETS is very comfortable doing that. Yeah, 2 per day. Yeah. If I pass Bulenox 50k Eval account, then how much I have to make to get payout? $3,600 on a 50k account. $3,600. You can take out $1,000 after that. Yeah, Satoshi, you can't trade if you're broke. Nothing, I mean, obviously it's not good. I was broke too, multiple times. Obviously it's not a good situation, but it's not the best idea to pour in your last dollars to an evaluation account because chances are high that you're gonna blow the account. You're out from gold. Yeah, I need to make 3,600. You're out of gold? Yeah, I don't like what gold is doing right now. I just don't like it. I'm gonna leave the gold trade on since it's a low risk trade. I'm only risking like 70 bucks on it. So I'm gonna leave that on for now. I have my stop in order. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit more. Feel like it could be spiking up there. Gold is just not doing the thing. Gold is just not doing the thing. I don't know why. Useful at DX feed and rhythmic support. That's good if it supports everything. Trading expensive hobby, yeah. Ideally, you want to make more than 4,000. Yeah. Better to aim for 4K. And boy, if you stick to a fixed amount of profit per day, like 200. Yeah, exactly, John. Exactly. Well said. So that's what I also do. If I make $100 or $200 per account, funded account, I'm moving to the next one. You know, I'm not abusing that account anymore for the day. If I make some profit, I'm just jumping to the next account. The same in all prop firms after not all of them. So some prop firms, for example, Apex lets you to take a payout at $2,600, but you have to leave $2,100 on the account, so you can take up to $500 at $2,600, right? So if you want to take $1,000, you quote unquote just have to make $3,100 in profit, and you can take out 1,000. And also others are different too. With Take Profit Trader is different too. The safety threshold is, I think, $2,100 on the 50K, and everything above that you can take out. What's up with NQ? I thought it wants to go up there and take that level out. Just not doing it. Just not doing it. I'm gonna try a 25K account. Yeah, by the way, Bulenox offering the 25K accounts on sale for like $15 or something. If you use the code tomsabo25, it's gonna give you the 25K account for like $15 or something like that. I don't know. At Bulenox, the 25K account is on sale, but only the 25K account. Yeah, exactly, John. Exactly. Yeah, every prop firm is actually having different payout policy. So many different rules and policies. What's the best range for payout for Apex? Well, I would go for like, if you can build up your account with a few $100s per day. So going for base hits, like if you make like $200 or $300 on a given day, that's okay. So take those base hits, and that's how you move on. That's how I do it. That's how I would do it. You know. The naming someone, that's when things go wrong. Yeah, take for 50K, any amount above 2. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Satoshi. Oh, it expired. Oh, I didn't know that. Let me check it. Oh, it expired yesterday. Oh, yeah. Sorry, the 25K sale expired yesterday. Yeah, sorry. And seems like the gold trade is going to the dumpster slowly. It was looking good down there. It was very promising. The thing is that there is kind of like a bearish order block thingy here, and I think it wants to take it out now that it has retracing up there. Unfortunate. NQ trade is having some trouble as well. I don't know what's happening. Yeah. Coupon expired. Yeah. I just checked the date. It expired yesterday. I didn't know how. I wasn't remembering how long the sale is on, but it was until yesterday. I'm sorry. Gold looks bullish. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. On the 15-minute chart on futures, it did look like it wants to, sweep those orders down there, especially after this market structure shift. But, seems like the London Open is changing or shifting the direction here on gold. Unlucky, but what can I do, right? Back to NQ. I'm looking for that buy side at 460. Yeah, red folder news. Exactly. 10 points. Everybody is aiming for that CPI release. Yes, I'm trading with Take Profit Trader, and I didn't take a payout yet. I'm still trying to build the valuation accounts, but I've been told from those who are taking payouts from them that it's extremely fast. You can take payout technically every single day. Yeah, Trader G. The NQ is still struggling here. I was hoping that it will break those highs, but now I'm starting to lose hope here on NQ. Oh, back to break even, technically. Gold is not going for that sweep. Yeah, I don't like what's happening here. I was aiming that after NQ swept these lows, it should be going for that 460. And also gold is not looking good, ladies and gents. Not looking good. If NQ would spike up, maybe that would help the gold to go a little bit lower. At a 10-point long in NQ on 1 minute. With 1 minute, 10 points, it's definitely a good result. I think I would stop. I think that's, take it as a sign that maybe you should stop. Oh man, I was hoping that we are gonna have some momentum here. But it's not happening. Excuse me. It's not happening. Gold is also stuck there. Damn it. I was really hoping for that sweep down there. No, that's just not. That's just not doing it. Damn it, gold. Gold is betraying me here. It's just not going for that swing low. It's just not going for it. Waiting for price to go below 415 and retest 415. Yeah. It's just not doing it. It's not happening. Okay. NQ a little bit started to go higher. A little bit. Gold is still in drawdown on my end. Here I am on gold. Oh man, I was really hoping that it will drop waterfall down. Chop, chop, cheapy, chop. We're going to do a music about that. A music video. Buy program activated on gold. No. No. I think it is. Now there's this very short block. And it's, oh man, it's gonna be broken. Broken. Let me check the charts here real quick on gold. Oh yeah, gold, man. Gold, why are you doing this with me? I think I should close my gold trade, minimizing the loss as much as possible. No, I'm gonna take the full stop. I don't want to have FOMO, so I'm gonna take the full stop, almost at the stop loss. I choose to take the full stop here on gold, because if by some miracle, which I don't think is gonna happen, it decides to turn down and waterfall, I would feel totally messed up about that. But anyway, almost at the stop loss now. If gold can break through the 2-minute, yeah, maybe then it should take off. Yeah, that could happen. Hey, no problem, Satoshi's part of the game. Strong equal highs, yeah, that could be the case. But it might want to break higher. Actually, let me check gold here again. Also on the 1 hour chart, and I was trying to go long earlier. I do like the fact that we have sell side at 48 up there. I was just hoping that we have one more sweep down there. If you look at the 15-minute chart, and if you look at this area here, I thought that it wants to sweep that level too before taking off after this shift. Anyway, back to NQ. It shouldn't take for long for gold to take my stop now. Oh, 5 minutes. Yeah. I'm looking at 5, yeah. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Okay, gold stop taken. I've been taken out. But it's okay. Still have the NQ on. And what is gold trying to do here? Shifting structure right now. There was no entry on the 3 minute or 5 minute here. I can also imagine, I can only imagine 2741 area equal highs on the 5 minute. Anyway, it is what it is. I'm gonna be watching NQ for now. Maybe espionage. Hey, Malo, long from 414. Nice catch there. Very nice catch. Beautiful catch, actually. Decided to buy a bunch of gold all of a sudden. Yeah. Yeah, it seems like. I think they're starting to price in for CPI, I guess. I don't know. TP is 444. That's a good target. Low hanging fruit. Nice. Nice. By the way, you're gonna get it. Thank you, Dad. Actually, Malo is gonna get the 44. I don't know if I'm gonna get the 58. Anyway, everybody, if you could be so kind to please push the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's push this to the sky. You know, Malo, I have a Discord. We don't have a free Discord yet because I don't have time to do the moderation and stuff. We have only a paid Discord for $10 per month, and we have a lifetime membership too. And I'm not gonna lie, nowadays it's a little bit slow and quiet, but there are some good people there for support and everything. So, working on it. I have some plans actually for the Discord because I'm updating my blog and all that stuff, and it's gonna do something good, positive on the Discord membership site. So anyway, I'm gonna have it ready. You'll not be successful if you don't like the stream. Exactly. Thank you. Watch your stream since you have only. Oh yeah, Dave. Well, it was. I mean, it was quite different back then because I was trading forex prop firms with CFDs, and I was really, I was absolutely lost back then. Not gonna lie, but limit order didn't fill. What happened? What is happening here? By the way, let me look at gold. Just one more glimpse here. There's a small volume imbalance. Now the thing is, on gold, Interesting move here. I don't know if I want to take this trade or not. I'm not gonna jump into gold right now. Oh, 44 taken. Boom. $201 times 5. Congratulations, Malo. It seems yesterday. Yeah, Dave, it was different back then. Yeah. Now future. I mean, I don't have major issues with those with the CFD prop firms, but definitely I feel like, I mean, I had much more positive outcome trading futures, so and you're about to run my TP and my order didn't. No. Okay, I'm actually at a point that I'm going to take a partial here. I just need to, because I had a loss, so I'm going to take a partial. Okay, I took a partial, and I'm going to 58.25. Okay, I'm going to put it to 58.25, and my stop is going to go to 25. Okay, it's break even now. I had to take a partial because of the gold loss earlier. It seems like this morning for me on this London session is most likely, you know, recovering from losses. That's what it's all about now. So I started the stream with 2 losses and then a win, and then another loss. And so, because it seems pretty hectic right here, I just had to take a partial. So hopefully we'll recover. Well, Venom, it's it's not as good as you guys are doing, like printing thousands of dollars there, Venom. Gold hit TP2. Let's go. What's happening on gold here? Look at this, man. You don't trade London anymore. Well, obviously New York is giving you the biggest volume. I'm devastated I didn't get filled. Oh. Don't let the FOMO destroy your confidence or make you do crazy things. Don't let the FOMO do that. Also, I'm being very low risk because I'm copy trading these on funded accounts at Apex. So I'm copy trading these between 3 funded accounts, and so that's why I'm taking such a low risk this London session, especially because we have CPI later on. I have more funded accounts with Apex, but I'm just copy trading these 3, trying to get back some of the losses now. So that's it. The session turned out to be a rescue mission. Only if big moves in Asia, yeah. Does Tick Trader allow Ninja Trader? Yeah, as far as I know. Yes. London PA since US election has been hard to tell. Yeah, I mean it's definitely got slower a little bit. Mo, good morning. So was in buy order from 27. Dude, nice catch there. FOMO learned that lesson quick when first coming over. Yeah. It's December. Markets are going to slow down. Yeah, so don't forget that, you know, December is always about slowing down a little bit, which is normal. which is absolutely normal. That is what it is. Anyway, I have 2 funded Bulenox accounts. What are the rules on copy trading? Basically, you can't copy trade with other prop firms, so you can't use your Bulenox account as a master account or vice versa. You can only copy in between Bulenox accounts. You can copy it between master and qualification account or qualification to master account, but you cannot copy your Bulenox qualification or master account to another prop firm or using another prop firm's account as a master account. So basically, just in between Bulenox accounts. That's it. That's the rule. We're gonna teach a real life friend, and he will pass his combine first try without copying. Whoa, that's awesome. Because for most beginners, yeah, that's very good, Venom. You can only copy trade among Bulenox accounts. How will they even? I don't know, by the way. That's a good question, 10 points. How does Bulenox know? Especially, for example, with Replicanto stealth mode. Someone told us that if you're using NinjaTrader Replicanto stealth mode, there's absolutely no trace of using a copy trader. That's what I've been... I don't know. I'm not a technician or anything. I don't know how this works, but how do they know? I don't know. Fusion's been the move for me. I see. So I still don't know how can they trace it. Maybe, for example, the Quant Tower copy trader has a built-in, or it has some kind of a trace when it's making the order that it's leaving some kind of a an information or data on the order that it's a copy order. But I don't know. How do you copy trade on Bulenox? Well, you can use Quant Tower like I do. It has a built-in copy trader. You see? It has built-in copy trader. You can add multiple copy traders in here. And it's free to use Quant Tower if you're copy trading at the same prop firm. You don't have to pay anything. If you want to copy trade between different prop firms, then you have to pay $30 per month with Quant Tower. But you see I have a Bulenox copy trader here. I have 2 accounts that are being copied, so I'm using one funded account, copy trading to the other funded account. That's it. So this is one. I'm having 2 groups of Apex funded accounts. I have MyFundedFutures funded accounts being copy traded. It's $30. I have a discount link. It might give you $3 discount in the description if you pay for the advanced features. But yeah, my 40 Eval account for the year, I got funded 3 times. I blew them before payout. Then that's a good number, by the way. That's a good number. Prop firms are exchanging information. Someone also told that point, man. Someone said something about prop firms are exchanging info. But I don't know how, or how is that allowed, or how they do it. I don't know. That's how Bulenox is moving. Top project is project president states in their options that they will disclose such info to prop firm. Oh, really? Okay. Okay. I keep seeing this Project X popping up multiple places on social media. To me, it seems like that they're providing all these tools to prop firms. Just a second. I'm looking of what's happening here. We are inside of a 15-minute gap on gold. $15-minute CB. Okay, we have a volume imbalance down there on gold. Come on. Not that I think is gonna go down there, but it's never a bad thing to be aware of. I think it might just go down there. It's a little slopey, but we'll see. It feels like that this 15-minute might provide some sort of resistance anyway. You copy from Bulenox. I'm only copying between Bulenox accounts, Camille. I'm not copying to other prop firm. I'm just copying between Bulenox accounts. Maybe they have AI software. Yeah, but accounts are straight to funded with tick. The 100K. Let me just check it for you. On TickTick and by the way, I'm happy that TickTick came out with the direct funded accounts, because so the 100K account, the 150, so the core direct account, the Project X 150K account, and the Project X 100K account, and trade and 150K prime direct account. So those are direct funded accounts. So 100K, 150K accounts are direct to funded. Yeah, let me say the name. Discover plans, and so here are the plans at TickTick. So choose a direct account that matches your, so here it is, 100K core, 150K prime. These are direct to funded accounts. With the discount, you get it for 454, or maybe lower. I don't know, maybe the code gives you a little bit more, or 408. And these are the evaluation models down there. No, the direct funded accounts with TraderWeight and NinjaTrader. 100K, 150K. There's no discount on the 250K account. Yeah, so only the 100K and the 150K account has a discount. Yeah, so the cheapest is like 400 instant or direct funded account. But if you click on my link here in the chat or type in the code, it will give you the proper amount. They can see it if they look on the software provider side. It's indicated as leader or follower. So if all accounts are followers, they have to look. Oh, okay. Which was the level on gold that I was looking at? 29, right? Interesting. It's full of bugs. I heard that they still have slippage issues and stuff. Discretionary reading PA and using basic if over trading per account. I'm just gonna you use the new Apex? No, I haven't tried it. You like it? Okay, I haven't tried it. Past my current stop. Let's go. Let's go, Dan. The problem is with the direct account there is no rhythmic. Oh yeah, they have CQG, I think. I mean, you can connect to NinjaTrader and TradeAway. With discount code 100k. Oh, 408. Yeah, no problem. Let's go, Malo. Let's go, Malo. So, look at that. What just happened on gold? We were talking about that 15-minute volume imbalance down there. And gold just went down there and it's just repricing it and rebalancing it. And I have a feeling that it wants to go down to 26.5 on futures. What a move. You know, it just went up there, picked up liquidity on the 15-minute chart. And just like Clint Eastwood, they just took it and walked down in the sunset. You know, that's what gold did. And it's just going down. And I have a feeling now that 27, 21.7 or 22, I would say 27, 22 could be a possible target. And I just have no entry. And I have FOMO now. And my brain is totally messed up. So, oh. Yeah. Yeah, Venom. Just everybody just has to have. You know, I agree with the saying that everybody has to carve out their own way, but once you get familiar how you do it, then it should be quite alright. Bulenox option 1, option 2. Which one? Option 1. For example, option 2 is more expensive. If you want to go with end of day trading, I suggest you go with MyFundedFutures. So option 1 definitely with Bulenox. Option 2 is always more expensive, and the benefits you get are better with end of day trading with MyFundedFutures. So starter account, I'm saying starter account is better than option 2 at Bulenox with this current price right now. Oh yeah, definitely Venom. That would be awesome. Get some drink. I actually wanted to. It's empty, so I need to drink something. Yeah. Cheers, Venom. Thank you for dropping in. Look at this. It's going down. It's crazy. And you know what I think? That's where it's heading to. What a move from gold. Taking the liquidity up there and boom. Taking the elevator down. No stopping until 26.5. No retracement at all. It's just taking down the elevator right now. I mean, there was a slight retracement here on the 1 minute, but if I would go to a short here to chase it down there, it would definitely go up. So on the 5 minute, created this gap. You know, if it would go back up there, maybe I would take a short. It's kind of like an inversion situation. But now, I don't know what to think. NQ, you know, just pull the plug someone on NQ. So, what I see in a lot of people that fail is that they 150k to play with if they buy a 50k account. But you only, yeah, exactly. Exactly. So never forget, whatever account you buy, let it be evaluation, instant funded account, whatever. Your drawdown level, that's gonna be the real quote unquote real account. It's a demo account, obviously, but that's gonna be the real thing, not the big number. So not the 150k, the 250k. Your drawdown is gonna be the amount of leverage, I would say, so that you have to trade with. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. You know, the 15-minute actually shifted structure. So the 15-minute still looks kind of bullish. Picked up liquidity here. Now it's finding support. Ooh, it's hard to decide. You know, the 1 hour looks bullish. The 15-minute, it once shifted down, shifted up there. It looks now bullish again. The 5-minute, I don't know. It looks like it wants to go down. Man, I have no idea what the hell is gold doing right now. Gap was in premium. And at the beginning, you need to apply the risk you take according to the drawdown. Exactly. Exactly, Venom. Exactly. Oh, man. I might gonna... I think I'm stupid for doing this. Enter the short on gold. Enter the short on gold because that's what I do. I still want to see this level on the 15-minute chart, and I took it because of the 3-minute retracement and almost kind of like an inversion here, and I just hope that gold continues to take the elevator down. There's a 5-minute volume imbalance down there at 26.5, which can help the trade. If it closes below 26.2, I might going to put it to break even, but I jumped into a short here, and my final TP is 22.5 on futures, and I'm gonna move my stop once we close or trade below 26.3. Until then, I'm gonna leave this here to give some wiggle room to it, but my NQ trade seems like it's going back to break even ish. Actually, I took partials there, so I'm not worried. I have an issue with retesting the order blocks. That happened many times. Yeah, so speaking of order blocks, gold 15-minute. It's not a perfect one, but it seems like a bullish order block to me. Now, order blocks, I like to see them being retested or being broken. And this is why it's a sign to me that it happened after the new candle. So almost like an Asia session. I really want to see gold picking up orders from there. I feel like there has to be liquidity down there. That's what I think. But I could be wrong, of course. But so far, order block with fair value gap. Well, there's a fair value gap. but it has been repriced. But there is, you know, anyway. Currently in NQ shorts. Yeah, unfortunately my NQ trade is almost out at break even. I'm still in the long from 25, but we'll see. Let's ride. Up 450 on position. Let's go. Stop loss got moved. That's a free trade. Congratulations. 27.16 look also smooth. Let's go. Espionage. Either win nothing or lose nothing. Oh. Okay, the time has come. I have to take a drink and use the bathroom. So I'll be right back. Please push the like button and subscribe. I'll be right back. I'm here. What happened? Push back up quick. What happened on... oh, okay. NQ is still happening. Short 1 NQ from 40, okay. Sitting 1 point below break even, let's go. FX Entropy. Do you know anything from that guy that worked in Swiss? No. Oh, what was his name? Marcus or something like that? I'm not sure. I don't know. I think he built it. I think he finally did it. That's the only explanation. I think he did it finally. So I hope he can change the time continuum or something. But I think he did it. Feel like I'm gonna get stopped out. Stopped out? Oh, I'm still in it. I'm still in it. He went through. Yeah, I think he did. I think he did. I really hope that he can change the history or something, or bring some information from the future. That would be awesome. So currently sitting in 2 trades. So far so good. And I told you guys, if we go below this level on gold, I might put it to break even. So since I was losing this morning, okay, I took off 1. And putting it to break even. Okay. So free trades all over the place. Everything is free. These are the positions I have overall. I'm copy trading between Apex accounts. The short on gold and the long on NQ. And hopefully it goes to profit. But so far I managed to get out from my drawdown earlier. So we'll see. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's happening, but it's interesting. So I'm still eyeballing at this level. My TP is at 22.5 on futures. 22.5 on gold. And as for NQ, I'd like to see that swing high being taken. My TP is, I don't even know where my TP is. At 58.25 on NQ. Yeah. So I don't know which chart to show. NQ is looking good. Gold is looking good so far. Yesterday it was very bad. Yesterday was such a bad session. Both of my trades, I was sitting in those trades for almost 2 hours, and both of them got stopped out. So that was actually physically, almost like physically painful yesterday. Yesterday was brutal. Yeah. I was just watching like, come on, man. I was sitting there like, And it was almost going for my TP. And you know, just when I finished with the stream, everything turned around and boom, went to my stop immediately. You know, doesn't really matter what kind of entry model do we use. The name of the game, I always repeat myself, and I will. The name of the game is where is the draw on liquidity. So if you know the level, if you have a level in your mind, in your analysis, then, and you're confident in your analysis on those levels, then I would say you just have to choose your entry model. Even if you miss with a few points, you know what I mean. I start freaking out if I'm in a trade longer than 30 minutes. You know, Dan, it's not, you know, that bad. Oh, gold almost went down to my TP. Come on. Come on, gold. Just take that swing low. There you go. Gold, perfect. Thank you, gold. Thank you, gold. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade on gold. Thank you so much. And you know what? Being said that, I'm just gonna move my stop here. Let's secure some profit on NQ. Beautiful trade on gold. And, you know, it seems to be that these orders that we were talking about here has been swept. And from now on, I have no idea what gold is going to do. I think this was the main move or the main target for the London session here on gold. But, you know, we can look for a possible reversal from here. We have some good targets up there. Or maybe it wants to go lower to 17. I don't know. Finally, the idea come to real. Yeah. Hey, Trading Star, what's up? No, I'm not kidding. I wish I would kill the market. Not that would be with minis, not micros. But it was definitely a nice trade there. I'm still sitting in this NQ long. And you know what? I might gonna move the stop a little bit here. I want to secure some of it. Because if it would trade below this 34.50, I think it would just take out this low. So I'm gonna leave some room for it to reprice this fair value gap. But if it would trade below that, I think it would just go down. How can you put this Streamlabs automatic message? You gotta log into the website. So I can show you just a second. I can show you in just a second. Come on. Why is it not loading? Okay. So Trading Star, you do it like this. So you can see it. So you log into dashboard. You go into your Streamlabs website, streamlabs.com. You go into dashboard. Here's the stream. You go into CloudBot because that's the free bot they have, CloudBot. And you have timers. And this is it, timers. You go to timers, and as you can see, these are my timers. So these are all commercials, obviously. Direct funded accounts, you know, 75% off, trade day, and everything here. And you just set it how many minutes they should appear or how many lines, and you turn it on. Now, I played with the numbers, and it's not easy because if I set it too low, it's gonna bring it in every time. If I set it to above 20 or 25 or even more, I'm just seeing it like it's very hard to set it right. But anyway, it's in timers. So CloudBot and timers, and that's it basically. You're welcome. Uh-oh. NQ is not doing it. Oh. Okay, it repriced this gap, which is good. It's kind of like an inversion gap. Still okay. Still okay. Maybe my stop is a little bit tight, but I still think that if it takes my stop out, it just wants to go for these lows. No problem, Trading Star. Let's go. Awesome. I don't know what is happening here. So it seems like, let me show you gold. It seems like that gold so far is, I think Yes, so far it seems like trying to reverse here. I'm not gonna jump into it, but seems like it's picking up bullish momentum. If this 5-minute candle trades above this previous one, that's absolutely a bullish sign. But anyway, let's go back to NQ. Look at this. Gap has been taken. Moose FX, good morning. Hello. Welcome. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Sassitar, hey, new subscriber, welcome to the stream, welcome to the channel. By the way, and what can I say? I mean, the only reason, I mean, we used to have alerts for new subscribers, but if your YouTube is on private, that's why the alert didn't pop off. But hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the team. Good to have you. Hello. All right. All right. Can I know account size? I'm trading with 50K funded accounts mostly. So yeah. Maybe I tried to go for the 150Ks too, to have a little bit bigger wiggle room. You're also okay. Look at this. It doesn't want to take it. I don't know what to do here. There could be some early profit taking at this level. Maybe I should have closed it manually up there. This bounce off from that level could be an early profit taking, which I don't like. Okay, I'm closing it manually. I don't care. I was in a drawdown like negative $200, and now I'm up $141. So I managed to climb out from the hole into profit. So on 3 funded accounts, so 3 times 141, I'm okay with it. Look at that. So this was such a sudden, drop here. Profit taking, there could be some repricing lower levels and then go up. I took it manually. I don't care. Scalping support, supply demand with IFVG. Let's go. Good morning, Pablo. 455 is the pivot point. Oh, there was a pivot point there. Okay, so it reacted beautifully to the pivot. Nice. You're welcome, Sassitar. Absolutely. So I took it off there. I think I made the right choice. How does NQ work better for London? I trade ES during New York session, but always notice that NQ is not always. I don't know, depending on your strategy and your entry model. I think espionage. So, for example, I would say that the last 2 weeks were mostly terrible in London session. So absolutely not good. I was not happy with the London session, not at all. Prop funded, good morning. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Whoa, what is happening? It's Trading Star donated 10 euros. Come on, man. Oh. Thank you so much for the donation, but you shouldn't have, dude. Man, you shouldn't have. Guys, check it out. Trading Star also started a YouTube channel. Check him out. Thank you so much for the 10 euros. Hey, you shouldn't have done that. Yeah, tonight CPI will be crazy. Absolutely. CPI will be absolutely crazy. And look at NQ, how it's repricing lower. Yeah, it's heading south. But I'm out from the trade, so I closed it up there manually. So I'm happy. Happy camper here. Exited from the drawdown. Out from the drawdown, so I'm okay. I'm okay. Brother from another mother. Exactly. Yeah, I'm done for today. Yeah, careful with the CPI. $1,400, Dave. I think you should not risk it, you know. Manual lock, there you go. So, Dave, that's it. You're done. See you in New York. Yeah, yeah. But hey, Moose, by the way, it seems like we're going back to 4. I'm still thinking that we might push it to 460. Thank you, Dave. Thank you. Good luck to you too. And gold, well, after sweeping that level, I don't know. What's it doing right now? Yeah, it looks like it, but might want to go up there. It has this inversion kind of gap here, and it's almost like providing possible support for price. Nice rejection, as you can see it. So it's pretty much a bullish sign that it might want to go for that 460 up there. that 460 is absolutely a possible level to go for. But since I closed my trade here, I don't think I'm going to jump back into that. I'm also looking gold and looking at these levels here. Yesterday PM session, relative equal lows once, twice, like almost 4 times equal lows at 17.34 ish. I don't know if it wants to go for it. Okay, just going sideways here. Just going sideways. But I think we did a good session so far. This was a good session. We caught some good levels. Was definitely better than yesterday. All right. Let me set up this one. What is happening now? Why is it struggling so much? Anyway. You know what? Good night, espionage. Prepare for New York session. Thanks for being here. Hope to see you in New York. And that being said, I think I'm gonna call it here as well because I'm not gonna re-enter any trade. I'm super happy that actually getting out, I was able to get out from the hole so ended up in profit. So I'm happy about that. That is struggling, yeah, holding on to some shorts. Oh, okay. Have a good sleep then. So thank you everybody for being here and joining the stream. Thank you for the new subscribers and everybody. And if you would like to support the channel and the stream, please use my codes and links. That really helps out the channel and me being here full time. The only place where the code is not there yet is Tradeify. If you want to use Tradeify, use the code SNOW. That's the December promo. If you click on my link, it gives you a discount. Otherwise, tomsabo works everywhere. Thank you so much. Thanks for the support. God bless you all. I'll be back in the New York session. Be careful with the news. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless.